Getting hits?
Now?
No. Oh my goodness. You got it?
Yep.
Nice.
It's swimming towards us.
I know. It's crazy. No fight. Watch it try to break off right here. Yep, yep.
How did you know?
It's gonna panic right when it comes closer to the bank. This is where we be careful. All right, slowly let it up. Kind of guide it. Okay. You got it, babe. It's a baby Grinnel.
It's adorable.
It's
Oh my god.
okay. Oh my goodness.
It's a little baby Grinnel.
This is the smallest Grinnel slash bowfin, whatever you want to call it,
Oh my god.
I've ever seen.
It's not budging.
All right. Check it out. A baby Grinnel.